Hey everyone, it's your girl, Claymation Queen, back at it again. And listen, we all know I have a love affair with high-end makeup. I mean, duh. But sometimes a bitch is on a budget, okay? So today we're diving headfirst into the world of drugstore makeup. We're talking bottom shelf, bargain bin finds, and we're going to see if they're worth a damn or deserve to be trashed. We'll be testing 5 different products and giving you our honest opinions. No sugarcoating here, babe, so buckle up, get your snacks ready, and let's get into it. Alright, first up we've got this foundation. I picked this up at my local whatever mart, and let me tell you, the packaging is something. It's giving very much designed on Microsoft Word and printed at home. But hey, we're not here for a graphic design critique, are we? We want to know if this baby performs. The claims are bold, honey. They're promising full coverage, a flawless finish, and basically, you'll look airbrushed by the time you're done. Now, I've heard it all, but a good foundation can change the game, even a cheap one. So let's put this to the test. I'm going in with my trusty beauty blender, or should I say beauty sponge, because we're on a budget today, darling. Okay, first impressions, it's going on a little streaky. The shade is a touch off, but we'll let that slide for now. Blending, blending, blending. Oh, honey, this is not looking cute. It's clinging to every dry patch, emphasizing my pores. This is giving more cakey than flawless. And the coverage, full coverage, more like barely there, sweetie. I can still see every imperfection peeking through. This is not the full beat glam I signed up for. Honestly, I wouldn't even wear this on a grocery run. Maybe if I was playing dress up in my grandma's basement, but that's about it. This, my friends, is a big fat miss. Next, into the trash it goes, onto the next product adventure. Next up, we're diving into the world of lashes with this mascara. It's time to see if it can truly deliver on its promises. Now, I'm very particular about my lashes. They need to be just right. I like them long, thick, voluminous, basically drag queen status. Anything less just won't cut it. This one claims to do it all: length, volume, curl, the whole shebang. It sounds almost too good to be true. And for like $5. I'm skeptical but hopeful. Let's see if it can live up to the hype. The wand is pretty basic, nothing too crazy. Sometimes simplicity works best. It's got those classic bristles, which I don't mind. They usually get the job done. Sometimes those fancy silicone wands just don't do it for me. They can be hit or miss. Okay, here we go. First coat. It's a little clumpy. Not a great start. Not a lot of volume yet, but it's definitely adding some length. Maybe it needs another coat. Second coat, Oh honey, we've got spider lashes. This is not looking good. This is not the look I was going for. I wanted volume, not a mess. And the formula feels very wet, which means one thing: smudge city. This is a big problem. I can already feel it transferring onto my eyelids. This is not good at all. Let's give it a minute to dry. See. And yep, there's the smudging, just as I feared. This is a disaster waiting to happen. I can't believe this. I mean, I guess if you're going for that whole "I just cried after a breakup" look, then this is your mascara. But who wants that? But for me, absolutely not. This is a no-go. This is a major miss. Save your money and skip this one. Chapter 3. Eyeshadow extravaganza, pigmented pop or chalky flop. Alright, for this looks I look, we're going to try out this eyeshadow palette. It's got all the essential shades, some shimmers, some mattes. It's giving me very much starter pack, but hey, you never know, this could be a hidden gem. Let's start with this shimmery champagne shade. I'm just going to pop it on my lid with my finger. Okay, it's pretty sheer, not a lot of pigment payoff there. Let's try building it up. And yeah, it's just not happening. This shimmer is giving very much glitter glue from the craft store. Moving on to the mattes. Oh honey, these are chalky. I mean, they swatch okay, but on the eyes, it's a different story. There's a lot of fallout. And the blending, don't even get me started. It's like trying to blend crayons on construction paper. The color story is kind of cute, I'll give it that, but the formula is just not it. This palette is a hard pass for me. It's a miss. Chapter 4, lip gloss lip off, luscious shine or sticky situation. Next, we're moving on to lips with this lip gloss. This claims to be ultra shiny, non-sticky and hydrating. Now, I love a good lip gloss, but finding one at the drugstore that doesn't feel like glue on your lips, that's the challenge. The packaging is actually kind of cute, I'll give it that. It's got a doe foot applicator, which I prefer over those weird brush ones. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's a sheer pink with a little bit of shimmer. And the formula, it's actually not bad. It's not sticky at all, and it feels really hydrating on the lips. The shine is definitely there, but it's not over the top. I could see myself wearing this on a daily basis. This is a pleasant surprise. I'm actually really impressed with this lip gloss. It's a hit for me. Chapter 5. Setting Spray Showdown, Locked-In Look or Makeup Meltdown. Last but not least, we're finishing off this drugstore challenge with a setting spray. This is the final step to lock in all the hard work we've done so far. This one claims to be a dupe for a certain high-end setting spray that I'm obsessed with. If it works, it could save us a lot of money. Now, I'm always down for a good dupe, but let's see if this one lives up to the hype. Dupes can be hit or miss, so fingers crossed. The packaging is pretty basic, nothing to write home about, but sometimes it's what's inside that counts. It's got a fine mist sprayer, which is always a good sign. A fine mist can make all the difference in application. I hate it when setting sprays leave your face feeling wet and sticky. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. Okay, let's give it a spritz. Here goes nothing. It feels a little drying. Not the best first impression. And the scent, it's giving me very much hairspray from the 80s. Not my favorite. It's quite overpowering. But the real test is whether or not it keeps my makeup in place. That's what really matters. So, I'm going to let my makeup set for a few hours and then report back. Time to see if it stands the test of time. All right, it's been a few hours and I'm back. Let's see the results. And the verdict is, it's a miss. Unfortunately, it didn't perform well. My makeup has definitely faded. And there's some noticeable creasing around my eyes and smile lines. Not what I was hoping for. This setting spray did not live up to its claims. Looks like the search for the perfect drugstore setting spray continues. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful. We had some hits and misses today, but that's the thing about drugstore makeup. You never know what you're going to get, but hey, at least we had some fun along the way, right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and be sure to let me know in the comments which drugstore products you want me to test next. Until next time, stay fierce.